Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to generate a Shopify access token. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where in the upper right corner you want to go ahead and get started logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where the left side screen you can see all the sections you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with generating our access tokens that we can use. What we want to do guys is right here in the left side screen, look at the bottom of the page and open up the settings menu. By clicking the settings menu, this is now going to open up this new settings menu where we can find all the menu options we have, such as general, plan, billing, and so on, that we can access. What we're looking for guys is the apps and sales channels right here. You want to click on apps and sales channels. This is now going to open up a list of all the apps we are using. What we want to do is click the develop apps button right here at the top of the screen. You want to click develop apps. This is now going to open up this new menu page where we can get started developing our apps. And what we can do guys is go ahead and create an app. So we're going to create an app button right here, click on it and give your app a name. After that, just click create app, and as you can see, after creating your application, as I have already done, I have named mine test app. It's going to appear right here. You want to open it up. So after opening up your app right here, you can see that now you have multiple options. One of them is called API credentials. This is what we want to open up. And guys, now in our API credentials, once you scroll down a bit, this is where we can go ahead and find our API key and our secret key. These are the tokens that we want to use for our application, so we can use it when making applications or using it for any purpose. This is where your token is located, so go ahead and copy it and use it for whatever you need. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.